Hello students, we'll go with the third type of problem in RK method. So the question is, use fourth order Runge-Kutta method to solve x plus y into dy by dx equals to 1, where y of 0.4 is equals to 1 at x equals to 0.5. Correct to 4 decimal places. Now we have to compute y of 0.5 at x equals to 0.5 means we are going to compute for y of 0.5 which is equivalent to x1. Okay, given is here x plus y into dy by dx equals to 1. We are talking for RK method, so we are required with f of. If we are required with f of means the expression must be modified to dy by dx form. So here shift this x plus y in the denominator. Since here it is into, it will come in the denominator of the other side. So dy by dx is equals to 1 upon x plus y, where I am going to represent dy by dx as f of xy. So we have got f of xy. From the given we are having x naught as 0.4. As we know that condition y of x naught is equals to y naught. So here x naught is 0.4, y naught is 1, x1 is 0.5. In this problem they have not given h and we are required with h for, in the formula. So if h is not given and if you are having x naught and x1, we can compute h. How to compute? We know that x1 is equals to x naught plus h. So x1 is 0.5, x naught is 0.4 plus h. Shifting this 0.4 this side, it will become 0.5 minus 0.4 is equals to h. So h is 0.1. Next, now we'll start computing for K1, K2, K3, K4, as in the RK method we are required with these 4 quantities. So what is the formula for K1? K1 is h into f of x naught comma y naught. So h we are having, f you keep it as it is. F of means it is a function. Okay, so f of x naught is 0.4, y naught is 1. We need to compute f of 0.4 comma 1. So to compute we are having f of xy given by 1 upon x plus y. So where all x is there substitute 0.4, where all y is there substitute 1. Simplifying you will get f of 0.4 comma 1. This value will be substituting over here. When I multiply this answer with 0.1, I will get my K1 value. So once we get K1 value, we will go for K2. What is K2 given by? H into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus K1 by 2. H is 0.1, f as it is, x naught is 0.4, h is 0.1 divided by 2. Y naught is 1, K1 is the previous value what you will take, divided by 2. Simplify the inside part and then calculate f of. So 0.1 divided by 2 it will become 0.05 plus 0.4 it will become 0.45. This when we divide and add 1 we will get 1.035. So we will try to compute f of 0.45 comma 1.035 by using this expression. Substituting you will get f of 0.45 comma 1.035. Substituting over here, multiplying by 0.1, we will get our K2. Similarly, I will go for K3. K3 formula is h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus K2 by 2. H is 0.1, f as it is, x naught is 0.4, h is 0.1 divided by 2. Y naught is 1, K2 is the above reading what you have got divided by 2. Simplify the inside term, you will get f of 0.45 comma 1.0336. Getting for f of 0.45 comma 1.0336 from the expression f of x comma y is equals to 1 upon x plus y. Substituting x and y value, simplifying, I will get my f of 0.45 comma 1.0336. Substituting, multiplying with 0.1, we will get K3 value. Similarly, to compute for K4, we are having a formula h into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus k4. So h is 0.1, f of x naught is 0.4, h is 0.1. Here there will not come divided by 2. Many of the students do mistake over here. Don't do divided by 2 here. So h 0.1, y naught is 1, k4, here comes k3, which is the previous reading you have to take. Simplify, compute for f of 0.5 comma 1.0674. We will get 0.63799 into 0.1, that will be your k4 value. This is not our required solution. The required solution is given by y of x1 is equals to y of x naught plus h, which is equals to y naught plus 1 by 6, k1 plus 2, k2 plus 2, k3 plus k4. Y of 0.5 is equals to y of 0.4 plus 0.1. See there, we are computing for y of 0.4. Are we getting 0.5 here? Yes. 0.4 plus 0.1, it is 0.5. So a y naught is 1 plus 1 by 6, k1 value, 2 times k2 plus 2 times k3 plus k4. Simplifying, I will get here 1.0674. This way we are computing for y of 0.5 using RK method. Thank you.